Well, so we got some new parts today for the John Deere 30 series 520 casting pedal tractor. We got some back tires, some back rims. I'll paint these yellow, of course, but they're primer painted, which is good. Got some pedals. Gonna need those. Gonna need those to pedal with. Got a new back axle. The old one was very rusty and crusty. We got a new pedal assembly up here up front and a new chain. Nuts and bolts here. That'll put the whole tractor together with. We desperately needed a new front axle. It's a front post, I think they call it, but nonetheless, that'll hold the two wheels here. And we've got some stickers. A chain guard cover, two front wheels, and a steering wheel. So, that's all the pieces parts I believe we're gonna need. I just need to get busy and get this thing painted, get the rest of the tractor painted so that I can do the assembly. So I bought this orbital sander from Harbor Freight. It's a Bauer brand. And it worked great on the flat surfaces, but I'm gonna be struggling to get this to work on this seat. Yeah, I could get some of it. I could get the bottom of the seat, I'm sure. But as you can see, I'm not going to be able to get up in here. And this is pretty rough. This is pretty rough. This needs to be sandblasted or bead blasted or some kind of blasting media. So I'm going to have to look at a different solution for that. So stand by for news.
Well, this was a short video, but I hit a roadblock with how I'm going to prepare the metal for painting. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, or dissent. And until next time, you've been watching the Townhouse Garage channel. Good day.